Today, I want to share with you 3 leadership lessons that transformed the way I lead every day. And these lessons can apply whether you're a CEO, a manager, a parent, a business owner, or someone leading yourself through a challenging season. The first lesson is emotional strength is not soft. It's actually strategic. As many of the speakers said, leadership used to be about control, certainty, and authority. But in today's world, it demands something different of leaders: emotional awareness. Because let's be honest, people don't leave companies, they leave emotional climate. When you have a leader who avoids conflict, he loses influence. When you have a leader who reacts, you destroy psychological safety. But a leader who self regulates, that's a leader who inspires trust. Because emotional strength is a leadership skill. It shapes every decision, every conversation, every relationship. And I'm going to share with you now one simple practice that you can do. Name the emotion before you respond to it. Because once you can name it, you can navigate it. Now, the second lesson is that leadership without understanding people is not leadership at all. The years I was in corporate and I've led teams, what I realized is that people are not difficult. People are different. Different personalities, different motivations, different values that show up in the way they work. And when leaders don't understand this, you have misunderstandings happening everywhere. And that is why when I discovered the bank personality system, I found it very powerful because makes you see things through the lens of their values. And I realized that people show up, they communicate not just with words, but based on their values.